Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to trade Bitcoin directly within TradingView. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your very first BTC USD trade all from within the TradingView platform. Whether you're completely new to trading or just curious about how TradingView's trading tools work, you're definitely in the right place. Let's dive right in. First off, we need to open up TradingView. If you haven't been on the site before, just open your web browser and type in TradingView.com. TradingView is seriously one of the most popular platforms out there for both charting and trading, so trust me, this is a great place to learn. Once you're there, make sure to log into your account. If you don't have one yet, it only takes a minute to sign up, and the basic plan is completely free, so there's no barrier for getting started. Next, let's look towards the top of the screen and find the Products menu. TradingView offers a ton of different features, and they're all organized under this section. Go ahead and click Products. Even if you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed by all the options, don't worry. For now, all we need is access to our charting watch list. Now let's find BTC USD in your watch list. If you already have it there, awesome, just click it to bring up the Bitcoin to US dollar trading pair on the main chart window. If you don't see BTC USD right away, don't panic. You can quickly add it to your list. Just use the search box above the watch list, type in BTC USD, and you should see a few options pop up. Choose the main listing, usually offered by exchanges like Coinbase or Binance, depending on what's available for you, and add it to your watch list for easy access in the future. Think of your watch list like your personal set of favorite channels on TV. It just makes everything easier to find later. At this point, we're ready to set up for our sample trade, so now let's connect to paper trading. Paper trading is a brilliant feature that lets you practice trading with pretend or paper money, so you can test the whole process without putting any real funds at risk. Look towards the bottom of your chart. There should be a tab called Trading Panel. Click on that and select Paper Trading from the list. If it asks you to connect, just follow the prompts. Don't worry if this takes a moment. That's completely normal, especially the first time. The beauty of paper trading is you can mess up, make mistakes, or simply try new strategies with absolutely zero stress. With the account connected, now you'll notice a trade button, usually near the top right of the chart or somewhere along the screen. Give that a click. It should open up an order panel where you can decide how much Bitcoin you'd like to buy and double-check the details. If you're not sure how much BTC to start with, remember, since this is a practice account, there's no harm in experimenting. You can always reset your virtual funds if needed. Once everything looks right, hit buy. Congratulations. You just made your first simulated Bitcoin purchase using TradingView. That's really it. It's a straightforward process, but mastering these basics is the key to getting comfortable with more advanced trading later on. So that wraps up our quick guide on trading BTC USD directly in TradingView. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave any questions or thoughts down in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. And if you want more tips and tutorials like this, hit subscribe and join the community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.